So before we start using our variables, let's talk about some of the do's and don'ts. So first of all, whenever we create a variable, we need to let the program know what type of variable it's going to be. So we have to place the type of the variable, in this case int, in front of the variable name. So for example, for this light on variable, we know that it's going to be only either true or false. So this is going to be a Boolean variable. So in that case, we need to specify the type of variable, which is Boolean. So we write Boolean in front of the variable name. But keep in mind that we only need to do this the first time we mention the variable in our program. For example, let's say right now the age is 5, but later on I want to change the age to 8. This right here will produce an error. That is because I've already mentioned that age is going to be an integer, so I don't need to mention it again. So this should be fine. So to make things clear, let me show you another example. So here I want to change the grade to B. In that case, all I need to do is mention the variable name and then equals B. So if you notice, we are using single quotes whenever we are assigning a character to our variable. And for strings, we use double quotes. So just remember to put single quotes around your characters and double quotes around your strings. All the other type of variables don't require any quotes. Another thing to note is that our variable names cannot contain any type of spaces. So I can't have this as a variable name. This will produce an error. Also, I can't use any type of special characters in my variable name. And finally, my variable name cannot start with a number. So to keep things simple, just try to structure your variables like this. You don't need to include any spaces or any type of special characters. To display the value of your variables, we just need to use our print statement. And inside the brackets or the parentheses, we'll mention the name of the variable. And that's all you need to do. So if we run our program, as you can see, at that point in our program, the value of age was 5. So later on, we updated the value of age. So let's add another print statement after the change. And we're going to display the value of age again. So now if I run my code, as you can see, previously age was 5. And then the second print statement shows that age is now 8. So go ahead and play around with this. Use the print statements to display the value of your variables.